They sparkle. They shimmer.
Look better than chronicling.
They shine.
Is this what it's like to love somebody?
They're stars.
You're a knockout.
Now, Warner Home Video proudly presents the Century Collection, bringing you Hollywood's biggest stars in their greatest movies.
This is it. I'm hooked.
Like the hit new release, U.S. Marshals.
Hold it! Can't be caught!
And the romantic blockbuster, City of Angels, which features the music videos from U2 and the Goo Goo Dolls after the movie.
I don't even know you.
What do you want to know?
There's also the newly enhanced special edition of The Wild Bunch Director's Cut.
Show 'em, boys.
Which includes the 1996 Oscar-nominated documentary, The Wild Bunch, an album in montage.
I am not afraid.
And don't forget the 25 other favorites, such as Unforgiven,
I guess I have it coming.
We all have it coming, Captain.
The Fugitive, One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, Amadeus, The Shawshank Redemption,
You can fit right in.
The Bridges of Madison County, and The Bodyguard, with specially reduced prices on select titles.
And you're ready to die for me?
It's the job.
So find your favorite Warner Brothers stars where you buy videos.
I'm speechless.
All evidence to the contrary.
And look for valuable offers on movies, music, travel, and more when you see the Century Collection logo on specially marked titles and displays at participating retail locations.
You're good.
I ain't good, I'm the best.
Start your Warner Brothers Century Collection today.
Won the Pulitzer Prize, the Critics' Award, the most revealing play ever written.
New York, London, Paris, Brussels, Rome, all cheered it.
It's an even greater motion picture.
This is the story of a woman, Blanche Dubois, who wanted so much to stay a lady. A vivid, vibrant, exciting story, because every searching chapter was written by men. Men who taught her to trust and to hope, to love and to hate. The youth who brought remembrance of yesterday. The man who was willing to take her out of the dark alleys of New Orleans. The brute who lied and cheated, who promised everything, gave nothing.
Don't you ever talk that way to me. Disgusting, vulgar, greasy. But who do you think you are, a couple of queens or something?
Could it be you and me, Blanche?
What does it cost for single furs like that?
But these are tribute from an admirer of mine.
Well, he must have had a lot of admiration.
Lies! Lies inside and out! All lies!
Never inside. I never lied in my heart.
You got plenty of room to get by me now. You think I'm going to interfere with you?
Marry me, Mitch.
I don't think I want to marry anymore. No, you're not clean enough to bring in a house with mine.
Poison.
No actor in history has ever made such impact in a single role as Marlon Brando in Tennessee Williams' Pulitzer Prize play and Academy Award motion picture, A Streetcar Named Desire.
Who do you think you are, a pair of queens? Just remember what Huey Long said, that every man's a king, and I'm the king around here. And don't you forget it.
Fighting, lusting, loving, never for a moment less than completely alive. A man who had 2 women living in his house, reacting to his savage appeal.
We're talking about his desire. Just brutal desire.
Vivian Leigh, in her Academy Award-winning role as Blanche. Kim Hunter, in her Academy Award-winning role as Stella.
You don't ever leave me, baby.
A story ripped from the fabric of life, as earthy and violent as its unforgettable star.
All right, let's have a little rough house.
Brando, the original.
You must be Stanley. I'm Blanche.
Brando, in the role that made him a star.
I once went out with a dame who told me I'm the glamorous type. She says, I am the glamorous type. I said, so what?
In the performance that made him a legend.
Canary, bro, will you get out of the bathroom?
Marlon Brando in A Streetcar Named Desire. His first major screen role, the one many still consider his best. Brando as Stanley Kowalski.
Tiger, drop that bottom top.
Thousands of years have passed him right by, and there he is, Stanley Kowalski, survivor of the Stone Age.
Yes, Brando, in the portrayal that labeled him the most exciting, sensual man ever, and the greatest American actor on film.
Good. Listen, baby, when we first met you and me, you thought I was common. Well, how right you was. I was common as dirt. You showed me a snapshot of a place with them columns, and I pulled you down off them columns, and you loved it. Having them colored lights going. And wasn't we happy together? Wasn't all okay that she showed here?
Before The Godfather, before Last Tango in Paris, there is the original.
Hey, Stella! Hey, Stella!
The most electrifying Brando of all.
Don't ever leave me, baby.